Good morning, one and all. Myself, Kashish Valecha, presenting English spoken lecture for you all students of SP Genesis School. So, as the meeting is disconnected because of the network issue, so today I am going to introduce that English spoken again from the starting. As I introduce you that English is necessary for nowadays to speak in English for all students, youngers as well as elders, as this is the world language which is known as a world language in all over the world. So, as you all are the students studying in our school, SP Janasa school, starting from grade 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now all will be promoted in the next year so for you all it is compulsory to speak in English whenever you are entering in the school premises. So we all know that due to this pandemic situation we all are at home with our parents. So it is the responsibility of you students as well as of your parents as well as our teachers also. So we are connecting each other in this situation during this vacation period also. As this is the vacation period, you all are staying at your home with your parents. This is the family time. But within a week, we have arranged one activity lecture for you all so that we just learn something which is different from our study material, which is not related to the study portion, not related to the syllabus which you are going to study in this year, but we learn something from this lecture. As English spoken, why it is necessary to speak in English? Because you are studying in English medium school. We are learning English from the nursery, junior, senior, first, second, third, fourth, fifth onwards. But we are not able to speak in English fluently. Why? What is the reason behind it? The reason is fear. English speaking fear. We are having little fear in our mind that we are not able to speak in English. Little bit we speak, but little bit it will be wrong. Even my English is not fluently. Then also we have to try to speak in English. We have to try and we have to speak. If we speak, then we learn what mistakes we did in our speaking and we try to solve it. So the first point, the first step to learn English is reading. First, you have to read something and something from your textbook, from the newspaper, from anything. You have to read. Second step, you have to understood what the word you are going to read, what you have read from that lesson, from that newspaper, from that magazine. Then if any word you are not getting, then you can easily learn the word meaning from the Google, from your parents or from teachers also. After reading, after listening, then the third step you have to speak. If you speak, you did mistake, but you learn from your own mistakes. So that's why we are telling you to try to speak. And in school also, it will be compulsory for all students to speak in English. Otherwise, we will be penalty. We will take penalty from you. This is for the higher grade students, but we want our students from nursery to speak in English. So avoid your fear. Avoid your fear factor of spoken English. We are just telling you to try to speak in English with your parents, with your family members, with your brother, sister or your friends. So I have introduced one game for you and it was for your parents. It is for your parents. In daily, in every day, parents have to give one word to their kids. आप पेरेंट्स को एक वर्ड आपके बच्चों को देना है दैट दे हैव टू मेक 10 लाइन्स फ्रॉम दैट वर्ड इन इंग्लिश वॉट एवर इट विल बी. अब वो वर्ड को वो बच्चे अगर रॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस में भी बना रहे हैं देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू गिव वन वर्ड टू योर kids that they have to make 10 sentences from that one word. So they can easily learn how they are writing, how they are understanding, and how they are able to speak in English. Now here I will make a one PDF for you all kids, that whatever the words which we are having to use in our daily life that I have prepared for